Hello, it's Ayan, Cribble Dude, and today I will show you how to hack a joystick into Pokemon Go. So first thing you want to do, go to App Store, and then search up Fly GPS. Go to fake, it'll come up as fake GPS. Download that, and then after that go to your settings, scroll down and look for developer mode options. If you can't find that, go to about device and go to build number. Click on that 7 times to unlock build unlock developer options. After that, go to developer options. Look for mock location app. Click on that and click on Fly GPS. After that, go back to Pokemon Fly GPS. Click anywhere, click that, and click that. And now you've got this joystick. Now if you go to Pokemon Go, you will see that now you can walk without walking. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you next time.